Look at you, big girl.
You gonna do it yourself?
Good job, honey. Almost here. Just a couple more. And you gotta peek in there, of course.
What are you doing? Come on. Yeah, Sarah. Come on. We gotta go downstairs.
Come on. Let's go bye-byes. Daddy, can you encourage her?
Come on, Sarah.
There we go. Come on. Yay! Good girl. Good job. Now let's go bye-byes.